River she-oaks whisper in the breeze, their fine needles hissing like gentle rain. Birds gather, ibises, ducks, cormorants, each part of this quiet ecosystem within the city. The river and the garden are one heartbeat. Every ripple mirrors the sky, every breath of wind a story written in leaves. Here, time folds and the world feels whole again. The pond becomes a mirror, fan palms fan outward like green suns, catching the last shimmer of daylight. The air smells of rain-soaked soil and warm leaves. Beyond the tree line, the scrapers shimmer, reflections of a city born from earth and ambition. The Brisbane City Botanic Gardens are more than a park. They're a sanctuary of memory and renewal, from palms to pines, from bamboo to water. This walk is a reminder that nature is the first cathedral.